So today we'll be talking about how can we display the data from the table inside our views. So in the previous videos we have talked about storing the information inside the table. So we had stored the user's information inside our table in the database. So in this video we'll be fetching all of the user's information and show it in the view. So for that, let's just quickly create a new route. That would be get request for the users, and we'll be using user controller. And for this, I'm gonna name the method index. So let's go to this user controller and then we create a new method called index. So for now, we are gonna query in the users table, right? So for that, we're gonna use the user model, and then we have a method called all. What it does is it fetches all of the user's information and stores it in the user's variable. Let's just quickly see the result, what we're getting after all of the fetching, right? So let me go to this browser, and I'm gonna go to our users URL. Here you can see the list of users, right? The first user is dude@gmail.com, and the second would be dude2. If you look into the database, we only have the 2 entries, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna display this user information inside the view. So for that, let me just quickly create a new view inside the users folder that says index.blade.php, right? let me just do it myself. For now, let's just do something like index user index page, just to check if it's working correctly, right? So I'm just gonna return view user.index because index is inside the user folder, right? And I'm gonna pass the user's information as an associative array. So let me go and refresh this page. It says user index page, right? All right. But now we have inside this index page, we have sent the list of users, right? So we can access the user information up here. So I'm gonna just do for each loop, and let me end the for each inside the div. I'm gonna do something like and I think the other field is name probably. Let's see how it looks. All right, now we get the information of the users, right? So what in summary, what we just did was we have this index function which fetches all of the users, and we passed the users to our index file, and inside this index file we have displayed the users. So that's it for now.